Hello friends, I welcome you to our channel Affairs 247X. So today in this channel, in this video, we will be discussing the current affairs from 10 to 13th July 2021. In this I have not included options because I am covering right now 15 questions. So 50 questions we'll be doing as fast as possible because your revision will be there. So without any wasting time, let's start our current affairs. And here's your current affairs. So question number one is what is the position of India in the recent ISSF Shooting World Cup 2021 medal tally? Your answer is 10th. Recently, who has been appointed as the India ambassador to the US? Your answer is Atul Keshav. Question number 3. Recently, the president of which country, Jovenel Moise, was assassinated? Answer is Haiti. Question number 4. Which state has recently become the fifth state in India to join under two coalition to tackle climate change? Answer is Maharashtra. Question number 5. Recently, the Indian Army has named a firing range after which Bollywood actress? Your answer is Vidya Balan. Question number 6. Recently, who has been honored with the prestigious Humboldt Research Award? Your answer is Kaushik Basu. Question number 7. Recently, Fitch Rating estimated India's GDP growth rate to be in the financial year 2022. Your answer is 10%. Question number 8. Who has recently won the most innovative investment promotion agency 2021 Inward Award? Your answer is Invest India. Question number 9. Which has been declared as 12th district of Meghalaya recently? Your correct answer is Marang. So Marang has been declared as 12th district of Meghalaya recently. Now moving towards question number 10, and that is Amazon Win launched its first digital center in which state of India? So your correct answer is Gujarat. So in Gujarat, Amazon has launched its first digital center. And then moving towards question number 11, who has written a book called Ramayana of Sri Guru Gobind Ji? Your correct answer is Baljit Kaur Tulsi. So Baljit Kaur Tulsi is the author of the book which name is Ramayana of Sri Guru Gobind Ji. Now moving towards question number 12, which is a top country insert recently released in news on air radio live stream global ranking? Correct answer is USA. Question number 13. Recently, the first case of Zika virus has been found in which state of India? So recently, this news has been very in trending, so you must be aware of it. And the answer is Kerala. So in Kerala, the first case of Zika virus has been found in the state. And question number 14. Recently, which state has been given as grant of rupees 5,000 crore rupees under the Jal Jeevan Mission? So Karnataka is a state to whom the grant of rupees 500,000 crore rupees has been given under the Jal Jeevan Mission scheme. Now, question number 15. Recently, which state government will launch its own OTT platform? So, answer is Kerala. So, Kerala is going to launch its own OTT platform. So, this is the name of the state, Kerala. So, it is going to launch its own OTT platform. Now, heading towards question number 16. Where has the world's tallest and palace been built recently? Your answer is Denmark. Okay. So, question number 17. Recently, which country has banned the construction of skyscrapers more than 500-meter height? Your answer is China. And question number 18. Where will India's first maritime arbitration center be built? Your answer is Gandhinagar. So in Gandhinagar, India's first maritime arbitration center is going to build. So let's have a look on question number 19. Recently, who has won the Wimbledon's women's tennis single title? This is a very important question, and you must aware about all this sport related news because this will be a part of your examination. Your answer is Ashley Barty. So Ashley Barty won the Wimbledon women's tennis single title. Okay. So question number 20. World Population Day is observed in which date? Answer is 11th of July. Question number 21st. Recently, who has been appointed as MD and CEO of Federal Bank? So, Shyam Srinivasan has been appointed recently as MD and CEO of Federal Bank. Question number 22. Recently, who has written a book called The Pregnancy Bible? So, author of this book is Kareena Kapoor. Kareena Kapoor written a book. The name of the book is The Pregnancy Bible. Okay. So, this book is written by Kareena Kapoor. Now, question number 23rd. Recently, who has won the 2021 Scripps National Spelling Bee competition? किसने 2021 का जो नेशनल स्पेलिंग बी कॉम्पिटिशन है वो जीता है? योर आंसर इज अवंत गर्डे। अवंत गर्डे ने 2021 का जो नेशनल स्पेलिंग बी कॉम्पिटिशन है वो जीता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 24, रिसेंटली विच स्टेट हैज़ बीन इंक्लूडेड इन द मैप ऑफ इंडियन रेलवेज? हाल ही में किस स्टेट को जो इंडियन रेलवे का मैप है वहाँ पे इंक्लूड किया गया है? एंड ऑप्शंस आर, योर आंसर इज मणिपुर। सो मणिपुर हैज़ बीन इंक्लूडेड इन द मैप ऑफ इंडियन रेलवेज। रिसेंटली हु हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड एज द यूएस एम्बेसडर टू इंडिया? हाल ही में किसे अपॉइंट किया गया है यूएस एम्बेसडर टू इंडिया? आंसर इज एरिक गारसेट्टी। सो एरिक गारसेट्टी हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड एज द यूएस एम्बेसडर टू इंडिया। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 26, रिसेंटली हु हैज़ बीन री इलेक्टेड एज पीएम ऑफ स्वीडन? हाल ही में कौन री इलेक्ट हुआ है स्वीडन के लिए प्राइम मिनिस्टर के लिए? सो आंसर इज स्टेफन लॉफवेन। स्टेफन लॉफवेन हैज़ बीन री इलेक्टेड एज द पीएम ऑफ स्वीडन। Question number 27, who has been selected as the first Indian jury of Tokyo Olympics? So आंसर इज पवन सिंह। पवन सिंह को सिलेक्ट किया गया है फर्स्ट इंडियन जूरी जो कि टोक्यो ओलंपिक्स को हेड करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 28, वेयर हैज़ इंडियाज फर्स्ट क्रिप्टोग्रामिक गार्डन हैज़ बीन इनॉग्रेटेड रिसेंटली? हाल ही में कहाँ पे क्रिप्टोग्रामिक गार्डन, फर्स्ट इंडिया का क्रिप्टोग्रामिक गार्डन का इनॉग्रेशन किया गया है? योर आंसर इज देहरादून। Question number 29. Recently, which state government has announced to bring new population policy 2021-30? आंसर इज उत्तर प्रदेश। तो हाल ही में किस स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ने अनाउंस किया है कि वो एक न्यू पॉपुलेशन पॉलिसी 2021 से 30 तक ये लाने वाली है? तो यह आपका करेक्ट आंसर होगा उत्तर प्रदेश। क्वेश्चन नंबर 30, रिसेंटली हु हैज़ won the men's single title at Wimbledon Open? So question number 30, recently who has won the men's single title at Wimbledon Open? तो किसने हाल ही में ये विंबलडन ओपन का मेन सिंगल टाइटल का खिताब जीता है? योर आंसर इज नोवाक जोकोविक। क्वेश्चन नंबर 31, रिसेंटली हु हैज़ वॉन द टाइटल ऑफ कोपा अमेरिका 2021? सो 2021 का कोपा अमेरिका का टाइटल किसने जीता है? आंसर इज अर्जेंटीना। क्वेश्चन नंबर 32, रिसेंटली विच मैराथन has been cancelled for the second time in a row due to COVID-19? हाल ही में दूसरी दफ़ा कौन से मैराथन को कैंसिल किया गया है कोविड पैंडेमिक के कारण? योर आंसर इज लद्दाख मैराथन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 33, टू विच कंट्री हैज़ फैजिल मैंगो विच गॉट GI टैग हैज़ बीन एक्सपोर्टेड रिसेंटली? करेक्ट आंसर इज बहरेन। Question number 34, recently who has become the first female biker to conquer 18 passes? Your answer is Kanchan Ugusandi. Question number 35th, recently who has been appointed by Twitter as the grievance officer in India? Correct answer is Vinay Prakash. So Twitter ने हाल ही में विनय प्रकाश को एज ए ग्रीवेंस ऑफिसर इंडिया के लिए अपॉइंट किया गया है। Question number 36, recently KVIC has obtained trademark registration of the word Khadi in which country? Your options are, your answer is Bhutan. So recently in Bhutan, KVIC has obtained trademark registration of the word Khadi. Question number 37th, recently who has been taken charge as the new MD, that is Managing Director of National High Speed Rail Corporation Limited? So answer is Satish Agnihotri. So हाल ही में सतीश अग्निहोत्री जी ने चार्ज लिया है एज अ न्यू MD ऑफ नेशनल हाई स्पीड रेल कॉरपोरेशन लिमिटेड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 38, Shrisha Bandla, who has become the second Indian origin woman to head to space, will go to space through which organization? Answer is Virgin Spaceship Unity. Question number 39, which union minister hosted the 6th ब्रिक्स कल्चर मिनिस्टर? सो यूनियन मिनिस्टर में कौन से एक मिनिस्टर है जिन्होंने हाल ही में 6th ब्रिक्स कल्चर मिनिस्टर का होस्ट किया है? तो आंसर इज प्रहलाद सिंह पटेल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 40, हु हैज़ टेकन चार्ज एज द डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ ऑल इंडिया रेडियो? हाल ही में किसने चार्ज लिया है एज द डायरेक्टर जनरल का ऑफ ऑल इंडिया रेडियो? सो आंसर इज वेनुधर रेड्डी। सो वेनुधर रेड्डी हैज़ टेकन चार्ज एज the Director General of All India Radio recently. Question number 41. The USA cancelled enterprise defense infrastructure and was worth $10 billion was related to which company? Your answer is Microsoft. Question number 42. Which of the following has announced the launch of a comprehensive health insurance plan named Arogya Supreme? So answer is SBI General Health Insurance. It has announced the launch of comprehensive health insurance plan named Arogya Supreme. Now heading towards question number 43rd. So Wimbledon men's single title winner Novak Djokovic is from which country? Your answer is Serbia. So he belongs to Serbia. Question number 44. Nitin Gadkari inaugurated India's first private LNG facility plant at. Your answer is Nagpur. And Nagpur is in Maharashtra. Which of the following has launched the newsletter platform Bulletin? Your answer is Facebook. Question number 46. Which ministry has implemented Sparsh portal? Your answer is Ministry of Defense. So Ministry of Defense has implemented Sparsh portal. Now question number 47th. Which of the following has signed a contract was about rupees 499 crore with the Ministry of Defense for the manufacture and supply of Akash missiles to the Indian Air Force? Your answer is BDL, that is Bharat Dynamics Limited. Question number 48. The National Research Center on Yak (NRCY) tied up with the National Insurance Company Limited for insuring livestock. Where is the NRCY, that is National Research Center on Yak, is located? Your answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 49. GI certified Fazil mango variety from which state was exported to Bahrain? Your answer is West Bengal. Question number 50. The first case of bone death disease has been reported in which state? Your answer is Maharashtra. So from Maharashtra, this first case of bone death disease has been reported. These are your 50 questions of past 10 to 13 July 2021 current affairs. This all current affairs are very important one, so make a note of it and do subscribe to our channel because here we will be discussing all the latest current affairs and important word which will be a part of your examinations. So do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you never miss the updates, regular updates. And yes, so we'll meet tomorrow. Till that, stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye. Thank you.